Today I'm making a fruit platter with a vanilla cheesecake dip. First I'm going to make the dip, so in my bowl I'm going to add 1 packet of vanilla pudding mix. Next I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. And I'm just going to mix that up until everything is combined. Next I'm going to add 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of marshmallow fluff. Next I'm just going to mix that up until everything is combined. Then I'm going to add 1/2 container of whipped topping and mix that up. Now I have the star platter. I'm going to add the dip in the center and put some sprinkles on top of the dip. Next I'm going to add the fruit. First I'm going to add some sliced strawberries. Next I'm going to add some cantaloupe. Then I'm going to add some raspberries. Next I'm going to add some pineapple. Lastly I'm going to add some blackberries. Here's an up-close look of the fruit platter.